Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a killer 1967 Pontiac Firebird convertible. Got Billy, the owner, many years. Going to tell us a little bit about it. How you doing today, Billy?
How you doing?
Dude, what a car.
Yeah, came out real nice.
Yeah, Corvette color.
I was sweating tears in this one.
Aren't they all though?
Yeah, they are. But it's worth it at the end. This is a great car.
It really is.
Came
Beautiful.
out really nice. Very happy with it.
Yeah, so tell us about it.
Acquired the car. I went to a restoration. As far as changing, you start and then you go in and you get deeper and deeper into it. So I just replaced everything on the car pretty much. All suspension is new subframe in the front. I didn't want to put all the new parts on an old frame, so I bought that. I had the car painted, bead blasted down, the bare metal painted. Any bare metal in the car was replaced with new metal. There's no rust on the car whatsoever. That's about it. It was painted, and it's got a 400 engine, 1970 400 Pontiac motor.
Beautiful.
They coded to the car. It's a little newer motor, which is a little better, 400 than the one that came with it. This is the first year they offered the 400. So it's got that going for it, and otherwise the motor is stock, except for a new carburetor. It's got electronic ignition. It's got power steering, close ratio power steering. Power brakes, front disc, 13-inch front discs. The car has no problem stopping.
Yeah, those are drilled and slotted rotors.
Yep, drilled and slotted rotors.
Love the US mags. Those simulate the originals back in the day. They're 17s all the way around.
I have the original wheels that go with the car, plus many more parts that go with the car.
Yeah, we'll show you them.
An electric, big aluminum radio, electric fan.
Cool.
It works just fine, but I have a fan shroud and the fan and all that
Original stuff.
Yeah, to go with it. Doing the wheels and the original wheels and tires.
Kind of like these mags though. They kind of simulate
I
the
like these too. It looks
PDMs.
like the originals, and you can't drive around with those little 15s on there. Just,
yeah, so you got 8 in the front, 10s in the rear.
Yeah.
Beautiful. It's a Corvette color, it looks like too.
Yeah, it's Le Mans blue.
Le Mans blue.
It's a 1969 Corvette color. It was similar to Muslin blue or whatever other car, the names they had on these, the blue colors back in the day. It's fairly similar, all like really close. But this is more of a flip-flop color when you look at it.
Yeah.
It looks much better in the sun than the other colors. That's why I went with this one. I changed the color. Because I had the car all, down to nothing anyway, so.
Yeah. It's beautiful. Yeah. This is definitely the nicest one I've ever seen. Nice big CP brakes up front, like I said.
Yeah.
Drilled and slotted.
Another thing is, I am not a big fan of car emblems on the car, and I'll include a set of brand new emblems that I do have for it.
Yeah.
The Firebird, logos that go on the side, and the 400 that go on the hood, and all that. I just personally don't like it. And I also have the backwards tack that had on the car.
For the hood.
It was painted the same color, had it painted, and I had them, weld a plate in and get rid of it because I just don't like it. It's just a personal thing, but that comes with the car as well.
Well, it looks super clean the way it is, honestly.
Yeah, I like it. I think it looks cleaner the way it is. You can put all that stuff on if you're a diehard original guy and you want all that stuff on it. I got it. You just got to put it on.
Sure.
It's no big deal.
Love the spoiler up front too.
Yeah, that's different than the original spoiler. It's an aftermarket one.
A little more aggressive.
I like the shape of it much better than the
Me too.
It's just something a little different,
Yeah.
Everybody comments on that too. So.
Yeah, I really like what you did. It's beautiful. Gorgeous paint.
Everything was done. The lines are all straight in the car. Everything's good. We pop the hood?
Yeah.
Let's pop it open. See what we got.
Beautiful.
Like I said, it's got close ratio power steering. It's got power brakes. And it's got electronic ignition in there, upgraded. The radiator. Nothing's really done to the motor, and it runs good. No smoke whatsoever. It runs great. It's got the original, even as the original manifold, exhaust manifolds on it. I didn't want to put headers on it.
Yeah, they always leak.
And I actually changed out the exhaust on it. It had these Spin Tech mufflers, which I do have. You can have them with the car. If you want to make it loud, it makes it a lot louder.
I like the way
But
it
I
sounds.
like it because it's a convertible. I like to be able to hear the tunes and
Sure.
and I also put a new stereo in it.
Oh, I saw that.
Yeah,
It's a
it's got a
retro
new stereo,
sound.
Bluetooth, and all that in it.
Great.
And we can actually, let's look in the trunk.
It's got tubular A-arms up front, brand new subframe. You can see the frame is like all painted beautiful. It's gorgeous. He also has a top for, a boot.
Yeah, here's the boot.
It's a little cold here today.
It's a boot, yeah, it's a little cold. It's a boot in the bag, comes with the bag.
Looks brand new.
Yeah, it's brand new. It clips on around, and it looks really neat and clean with the boot on it. Under there, you'll see,
oh,
it's got
kicker.
the amp with the kicker.
Cool.
And this was
6x9s, and they're D5s.
Yeah. And I just keep some
Some extra belts.
But the trunk, everything's done.
Looks like you remove the shakers.
Yeah, the shakers, yes.
Those are included too.
The shakers are included with the car. You have 4 shakers, front and rear. I put subframe connectors on it, so I didn't really need them. And the car was lowered, so I don't want it, to lower it any more than it is, because they're almost 30. They're about 30 pounds a piece.
And
almost.
4 of them.
And there's 4 of them, so you're adding a lot more weight.
Yeah.
And once you put subframe connectors in, you don't need them anymore. The car doesn't vibrate.
Man, and these doors, they're dynomatted, not only in the inside of the door, on the inside of the panel. So listen when you shut it. Super solid. Beautiful felts.
Yeah,
Gorgeous door panels. Brand new seat belts. Still with the plastic on it.
The whole interior is pretty much new.
Center console with cup holders. Add gauges. Custom steering wheel. It's a Grant wheel.
Yep.
I had the same Grant wheel on my first car.
It's loud, man. You gotta have a loud horn.
Her shifter.
Yep.
Beautiful.
4-speed Muncie. M21. No, M20, I think. This is M20.
Beautiful. Then you have the matching D5 6¼ inch rounds up front too.
Yeah.
Those are nice. Comes with the car cover, some extra parts like you said.
Yep. Car cover. All the extra parts we can show you what I got.
Yeah. Let's check those out.
What?
Billy, let's show them the extra parts. Come with it. The shakers obviously go with it, right?
Yeah, I'll give the shakers with the car. Those things are really rare and hard to find. I researched and found them for the car because before I put the subframe connectors in, and now I don't need them, but they're expensive. They're very hard to find. So here's a set of the 4 shakers. You can bolt them right back in. I wouldn't advise doing it, but
Yeah, you don't
2
really
for
need
the
'em.
front. You see the speckle ones for the trunk, and
Yeah.
the black ones for the front, and the hardware's with it.
Perfect.
And then we have, like I said, all these other parts for the car. There's new weather stripping for the roof that didn't really need it, but I got it with the kit when I replaced all the weather stripping. Okay. And this is the backwards tack, which
Oh, okay.
I gotta open it.
Got
Right
all
here,
the
here's
emblems, all
here's
brand
the
new.
emblems, and there's a new.
Oh, and this is for the
That's
back.
for the back, yeah. Because
One
the one's got a
tiny
couple.
dent.
There's a couple of little dings in it, and so I bought it anyway.
Cool.
Yeah, and this is the original
brand new.
tack that was on the car, right here, Pontiac.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yep. Same color.
I kind of like it without all this.
I don't like this because
It's
it's
so
right-
clean, you know?
The 67s had the tall tack. This is a tall one. And also, if you ever want to change out the original gauges, they all work.
Yeah.
But if you want to get rid of the original gauges, then you're going to put some, I was planning on putting some, if I kept the car, I was going to put some upgraded gauges. You don't need this.
Cool.
So, and then there's the,
Rims.
here's the set of original wheels that came with the car. And there's, that's
The
a
shroud and the fan.
shroud, there's a fan, but you're not going to need it because it's going
He's
to.
obviously got 4 of those.
I got 4 of these. Yeah, that's one of the rears. See how small they are.
Yeah, I like those though.
Yeah, I like them too. They're good to have because if you ever want to bring it back to original, you can.
Who's gonna do that?
You know?
I guess the diehard could do it. I just like what you did.
Yeah. This one came out really nice.
All right, fire it up. Let's hear this bad boy. It's Edelbrock with 650, 600.
It's the what is it called? It's the one that sprays. It's a V. I don't know. I got the paperwork in there. It's the newest Edelbrock carb. It sits closer to the fuel injection you can have. It sprays fuel in. I forget the name of it, but there's the gauges. Temperature 180. Sitting at 180. The fan's on. It'll go
good. Man, such a pretty car.
Yeah. These are flow masters in there. I got enough flow masters there.
Dynomax?
I quieted it down. I didn't want it. It used to be so loud that it got annoying. And I do have those spin tech mufflers.
Spin tech.
Yeah, throw it there. We can have those too. You can make it louder if you want. But it gets a little louder, for sure.
That's just enough. It's perfect.
It looks good when you squish that top down and put the boot on.
Yeah.
It fits nice, smooth all the way around. Not a lot of waves in it. Good.
Yeah, so nice. You can see pictures of the top up too. It's just cold, that's why it's not sitting down.
Yeah.
Love the frame too, jeez. It's all beautifully. Is that powder coated or painted?
The frame is painted. That's a brand new front side plate.
Yeah. Oh, CCP, huge sway bars.
Huge sway bars. It's got pretty much, did everything to it. It's got, keeping control on. The rear springs have been changed as well. All that's new shocks. 326 car.
Yeah.
But it was also, it's originally a 4-speed, that's the 4-speed manual that came with the car. There weren't a lot of convertibles made in manual.
No.
So this is,
it was originally manual, yeah.
Back in the day.
Cool.
This is the first year of this car, so.
Very cool.
Yeah, but it's, see, no issues, runs perfect.
Runs great.
Yep.
Not a drip of oil in the garage either. all my cars leak.
Oh, I know. All my other cars leak. This one, it doesn't leak anything, nothing. It's amazing.
So pretty. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Hit me up, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 300 photos I took today on my main website, weebyautos.com. And thanks again, Billy. Beautiful. Yeah, it's on a thermostat. Man, look at that undercarriage. Woo! Again, guys, hit me up, 631-339-0399. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks a lot.